Manikandan. So today video we are going to discuss about Deattach tool which is available on Kali instance. What is Deattach and when we can use the tool in real-time penetration testing work. Those things we are going to discuss in this video. Let me start our discussion. So Deattach means, I would say, terminal multiplexer which is available on Kali instance, which has lots of feature and which will help us to enhance our penetration testing work. Because without Deattach tool, we have to wait couple of minutes or couple of hours to get the response for the specified command. In the meantime, we can't do anything in the Kali instance. Let me start practical way. Here you can see my system IP address is 192.168.225.193. that is my local system IP. My Kali instance IP 192.168.225.74. so I have verified that I am able to communicate with my local system. So now I am having only one Kali instance. Here I am going to run one command that is called nmap hyphen pn. Pn means we are telling to nmap that host is live, you don't need to try any host discovery process. Then let me type hyphen p hyphen, which means hyphen, it will discover all the ports and it will try to verify all the ports from 1 to 65,535 port. Then IP address of my local system 192.168.225.193. so if I am running this command, you can see it's keep on checking to our target server and it will take some time. In the meantime, we can't do anything for that IPs. See here, for demonstration purpose I am putting single IP, but in real time if you are going to do any infrastructure pen test, that time you will get more IPs, like I would say 10 IPs or 100 or 1000, even 10,000 IPs. It depends on your hierarchy about your organization and your infrastructure. Based on that you will get a more IP. So that time if you are running this kind of command, or if you are trying to do something on the target server, if that command is taking long hours, like I would say sometimes if I am doing some infrastructure pen test, that time if I am running that command in the morning time around 10:30 or 11 o'clock, what will happen, at end of the day only I used to get the output for that command. Even sometimes it keep on running, even it's running out of my business hour. So in the meantime we can't stop the scanning and we can't do anything from our end while doing the nmap scanning or any automation process, any kind of methodology that you are performing on the Kali instance. So to avoid these kind of things, we can use a Deattach tool. So let me stop the scanning process. Press Control C so that no process will be ended. Let me clear the screen. Here you can see the simple command is Deattach. Okay, before that let me type Deattach LX. Here you can see there are no server running, which means there is no terminal session which is running on the Kali instance. So simply type Deattach. Okay, so once you run the Deattach command, then you will get another terminal which is also running in the Kali instance only, but it is kind of another terminal session, I would say. So that first command is Deattach. I will keep this command in the description box. You can get it from the description area. Here you can see Deattach, which is used to open the new session. Okay. So here now I have opened the command. Let me type the same command once again. Nmap hyphen pn hyphen p hyphen my system IP address is 192.168.225.193, I think so. Yeah. So here again the scanning process will be actually here you can see the scanning process started, but it won't make any problem with myself because I am running this command inside terminal, I mean multiplexer. So I don't need to worry about that one, even if it is taking long time or not. So what I am going to do now, I am going to deattach this Deattach, which means I wish to run this command in this backend, because again I am going to open another Deattach terminal where I will run one more command. Here you can see it is running. So the to deattach this terminal, that command is, you have to type control key in your keyboard, control plus and B, then again press D. So if you are, it's not about capital or small, just control+d. Yeah. So if you are pressing like this, the here does the okay. So let me type in keyboard, press Control, long press, and press B, then type D. Here you can see my Tmux session is Deattach. Let me check the once again. Tmux ls. Here you can see 1. Tmux 0 is running on the window. So here let me open another Tmux. Here actually there is another command that is called a-d 2 or 3 or 4, whatever name that you want to pass in the parameter, the same way you will get a name, but you don't need to worry about this one, just keep it Tmux, that is enough. Okay, again let me type Tmux. Here you can see previously it was 0, now it looks like 1. So again I got another Tmux session. Here I'm going to type some more command, like for example I want to check the some script command, script assembly discovery. See, I'm going to perform OS discovery process, assembly -OS discovery for the IP. So what if IP address 192.168.225.193. So the process started. Again it will take some time, but I don't need to wait for the output. Simply I'm going to press the same command whatever I have mentioned previously, control+b+d. So it is only one IP, so I got a response immediately. Here you can see my system is Windows 10 Pro. Okay, then if you want to minimize this window, you simply press control+b+d. So I hope you understand about the Tmux process, how we can open the new Tmux session and how we can deattach the Tmux session from window. Here you can see I have opened two window, 0 and 01. So this is the command Tmux means which is used to open a new window, and control+b+d means deattach the Tmux window. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. Then another command is Tmux ls, which is used to list the Tmux session, whatever Tmux session is running on the Kali session, which is Tmux list details. Okay, I hope you understand this now. I'm going to tell one more thing. Here you can see Tmux. So now I got a second Tmux session, which means previously we opened Tmux session 0, then we opened Tmux 1, now we opened Tmux 2. So it is another session. Here also I'm going to do some another stuff, but here I would like to tell one more thing. So in a real time, if you are going to perform some netcat listening service, or you want to perform some remote code execution, that time you wish to get two different session in the same window. That Tmux window itself, you want to get a different window. How we can achieve that one? For that one you have to type control+b in your keyboard, type double quote. Okay, sorry, let me type once again, control+b, then in your keyboard you have to type double quote. Okay, here you can see, yeah, I did I think that my keyboard was having some problem. Here you can see that this is the keyword. Let me type Tmux, sorry, to open vertical session, you have to type control+b+ and in your keyboard double quote. Okay, so if you have opened like this, then you will get a vertical session, which here you can see only one window, but I have I can see two different sessions in the same window. So that for example here I'm going to run netcat some IPs like 192.168.225.193, that is my target server, and 443. So it is just a demonstration purpose. Here I am running this like this. Then if I want to go this window, okay, currently I'm in the bottom of the screen. Now I want to go to this terminal. How I can go? In your keyboard you have to type control+b+, B, then type control plus B plus, then you have to type semicolon. So if you have typed like this, then what will happen? Let me type in my keyboard control B and semicolon. So here you can see my cursor is moving between top to bottom and bottom to top. Let me press again. Again my bottom, my cursor screen will comes to bottom to top and top to bottom. Okay, but if you are having your 3 session in the same window, let me mention the description. Control plus B plus double quotation to open the vertical session. This option is to switch the cursor in between window, to switch the cursor between the window. So this is the one way of approach. Here I'm going to ask one more question. In case, let me open another vertical session, control B double quote. Here you can see I have opened 3 different sessions in the same window. So this time you can't type like this control plus B plus double quote, because the double quote semicolon will help us to switch the cursor between the 2 window. But if I have a 3 window, how I can go in between first to second and 2 to third and third to first? How can I go? In your keyboard you have to type this like this way, control plus B plus O. So if you are typing like this, then your cursor next. Sorry guys if I am making any type of mistake. Your cursor will go next line. Let me try to validate. Here you can see I am pressing in keyboard long pressing the control key, control B then O. So now here you can see I am in first session. Let me go again. I am pressing control plus B plus O. Here you can see I am in second window. Then again I am going to press control plus B plus O. Here you can see I am in third window. But if I am pressing control plus B plus double quote, what will happen? It will again I got a 4 different vertical session, because I have pressed a control plus B plus double quote, that 4 different vertical session in the same window. So if I'm going to type control plus B plus semicolon, what will happen? It will switch only between session, like control plus B plus semicolon. So it will switch only the last 2 session. Okay, here you can see only third and fourth only it will switch. But if you are pressing control plus B plus O, then it will go to the next line one by one, then 2, then 3, then 4. So this is the way it will go. Let me confirm. Here one can see now I am in first session. I am going to press control B plus O. I know I got a second session. Then I am going to press control B O. Then I am in third. If I am going to press control B O, then I am in fourth. But if you are pressing control B semicolon, what will happen? It will switch last 2 session only. It won't go for all the session. So this is a way of switching method we can perform. And another method I would say control plus B plus W. Here you can see control plus B plus W. It will prompt the option to switch. It will prompt the option to select the session. Okay, let me type in keyboard control plus B plus W. If I am pressing like this, it will ask which window you want to access. I have opened 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can see already I opened 0 already we have opened, 1 already we have opened, 2 already we have opened. So that here you can see in window 1 we have seen this one, no? Like in 0 we already opened and 1 already we opened. The third one, I would say, here you can see there are 4 bands which are running, belongs to the session 2. Here you can see I opened session 2. In the session 2 we have a 4 bands, that is called 4 vertical bands. If I am clicking like this, here you can see I am getting 4 bands. If you are moving to top, you will get a only one screen. If you are again moving to the top another one, you will get a only one screen. If you want to get which one you want to, you can simply go for the 0 session. Here you can see. So this is the command which we have run in the first as a first command, like -p and -v and IP address. That time it was running, but now it is completed. So this is a way you can run multiple command in at the same times. It won't make any problem in between commands, and you don't need to wait for any output for the any command. I hope you understand. No? Let me again type control+b+w. It will prompt to select the window. You can simply go the session which one you want to go. So control+b+w. So last and final. If you want, actually another option that is called control+w, control+b+%, which will help us to open the horizontal window. For now we are opening vertical window, but somehow if you want to open, but I don't like to open horizontal window because it you won't it is not that much easy manner, but I might prefer to open the kind of horizontal way of approach. I used to open only vertical way of approach. So but I would like to inform that information also. Control+b+%, it will use the switch to open the horizontal session. Previously we opened the vertical session, but this command will help us to open horizontal session. Let me demonstrate. Control+b+%. So if you are running like this, here you can see horizontal. I have opened already. Previously it was 4 session. Now I got another session which is part of horizontal way. So this is the way we can open command. And then last and final, for example, if you want to close this window, how can I close the window? Then you have to type the keyword like say control+b+x. So if you are opening like this, it will ask you, okay, kill pan 4, yes. The previous one we closed that one. Now we have seen only 4. Let me close again control+x. It will ask, okay, kill pan 0, yes. Then now we have only 3 windows. Let me type control+b+x. Then it will ask, kill pan 2, yes. Okay. Now we have only 2 session. So that command is control+b+x to close the session. So now I have only 2 sessions. If I want to close this first one, let me control+x. It will kill pan 1, yes. Now we have only 1. So if you want to close this also, plus control+b+x. Okay, yes. Okay, control+b+x. Yes. So let me type Deattach LX. Here you can see I have only 2 sessions. So if you want to close one, let me tell you how we can attach. We have seen 2 different window. If I want to communicate or if you want to connect the first one, how you can open Deattach A-D1. So if you are running like this, what will happen? We are telling and we are instructing that I would like to attach the session 1. So if you are running like this, then that you will get a first session. But if you want to open new session, I already told you, simply type Deattach. If you are running Deattach, it will open another way. But if you want to specifically mention the window name, so this is the way: Deattach new -s then 5. So if you are mentioning like this, then window name would be a 5. Okay, let me minimize the control+b+d. I minimize that one. Let me Deattach LX. Here you can see the window 5 is opening. So what is the command? See, if you are running Deattach command alone, that window name will be comes as a order like a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you want to mention the window name specifically, then this is the command: Deattach new -s name, whichever name you want to call. So you can simply type the let me pass the window name money, then you will get the window name as a money. Control+b+d, then that window deattached. Now we can see the list. You can see that window has minimized. But if you want to attach any specific window, you can type Deattach A-D5. let me type that command. Tmux a hyphen d window name. Which one? Window name, which one you want to attach? Which one you want to attach? So this is the command. Then if you want to open any new window as per your convenience, like window name, this is the so the purpose of command is we can open a new window as per our command. We can open a new window. That's it. Okay. So we can open a new window. So I hope you understand the usage of Tmux. Please leave the comment in the comment section below if you want to get understand about this command. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.